𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗶𝘁, or 86, has a rich history in the automotive industry. Before the Toyota 86 was announced, the Toyota 86 was given the title 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗀𝗀. The first version of the Scion FR-S debuted in 2012 in Los Angeles, and the 2013 model went on sale in the middle of that year. The second generation 2023 Toyota GR86 is currently one of the most fun and stylish sports vehicles on the market, and it's reasonably priced. According to the best car websites in Japan, Toyota 86 next generation is slated to debut in 2025. Although the claims are unconfirmed, we won't have to wait long to find out the truth. According to what we heard, the GR86 will be moved from the Subaru chassis to the Toyota platform, especially the lower version of the Lexus ICE platform, as it is too small for the TNGA. The next generation of the GR86 will feature a turbocharger. It shares the same engine as the GR Yaris and Corolla, namely a 1.6-liter three-cylinder engine capable of producing between 257 and 268 horsepower. This is significantly greater than the current 2.4-liter engine output of 228 horsepower. In addition to the turbocharger, a new hybrid system will likely be incorporated into the new GR86 2.4 liters turbo, while the specifications are uncertain. Nonetheless, it is likely that the next generation GR86 will continue to have a manual transmission despite the high expected power output. What do you think about this information? Are you sure the current GR86 model will be replaced in the near future to the specifications presented in this video?